With the Advanced Table Viewer macro, importing and visualizing CSV data in Confluence is fast, flexible, and user-friendly. Let's get started. Insert the Advanced Table Viewer macro from the macro browser and click Connect Data Source. The Data Source dialog opens. The macro lets you import the comma-separated values using either the Insert CSV option or using predefined profiles. Let's start with the Profiles option. Select a predefined profile for your CSV file and click Save. As you see, the data is displayed in a fully formatted table. To change the data source, click Edit Data Source. Now let's choose the Insert CSV option to import the CSV data. To illustrate, here I have a CSV file. I will copy and paste this CSV data into the macro editor and click Save to import data. As you see, the data is displayed in a fully formatted table. This is the macro setup mode, where you can configure both table and column properties. The right panel displays the table-level properties, and the column options provide the column-level configurations. I will quickly add some row styling to select the row color and highlighting color. Click Save and publish the page. And here it is, your CSV data is converted to an interactive table with the Advanced Table Viewer macro. Try it now and transform the way you work with CSV data in Confluence. Thanks for watching.